So we kind of have these two girls in our grade, and we just want to show you how annoying they are.
Okay.
Okay.
Girl, please.
Girl, what are you doing? You tripping?
Girl, you tripping. You be tripping, girl.
Girl, you beautiful. I wish I was you, girl.
Girl, you're so pretty, girl. Like,
Girl, thank you.
hold on,
But you know, girl, I wish I had your hair. Like,
girl, I wish I was you, girl.
Girl, you have all the boys and all the creepy stalkers, and I just have to get rid of the. Whoa, girl, what happened?
What the fuck, girl?
Whoa, girl.
What the fuck?
Whoa.
Come on, girl.
Okay, girl. Girl. Do you like my socks?
Girl, please. Mine are better.
No, mine are better.
Mine are better.
My legs are longer.
I don't give a shit.
Girl.
What?
Girl, she be tripping.
Girl, you tripping.
Girl, get your hands out of my crotch.
Girl, stop touching my vagina.
Girl. Girl, please. Oh, wait. A question now.
All right.
But, okay. So, his eyes are bigger. Hers are bigger.
Hers are bigger than mine.
Hers are by far
Straight
bigger.
face. Straight face.
Can't do it.
Straight face. Hers are bigger.
No, no, no! You have to get away from the camera!
Hers are bigger.
They're not bigger!
They're bigger.
My mom won't give us an answer. That was manly. Anyway, girl, just tell us, okay, girl?